Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Solution. So today we are going to see how can we plot chart in Excel. So I am taking this data set for plotting different chart. So to insert any chart in Excel, we need to go to Insert tab, and from Insert tab we can plot different types of chart. As you can see here, we can plot column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart. Okay, so we are going to discuss today column chart and pie chart, and remaining are similar with that. So we're going to discuss these two now. So to plot a column chart, you're going to click on the column chart. You will find different column chart options are available. So for the time now, I'm going to choose 2D column chart. So this is my chart area. Let me resize it so that you can see uh, different things that I'm going to perform to plot the chart finally. Suppose now I want to plot the chart. So to plot the chart, first of all, I need to insert my data to this chart. So for placing this data, I have to go to this design tab, and after that click on the select data option. So once you click on select data option, select data source window will come up. Now here we'll have to give our data. So we can give data by, first of all, I'm going to click on my legends. So I'm going to add button. Now series name first is my television, and I'm going to add the values for the television. So these are my values for television. I'm going to click on OK. Similarly, I'm going to add the second level, that is mobile, and I'm going to give the values like this. So you can see that in my chart, my television and mobile, both the legends have come. Now I'm going to select my third level series, that is my radio, and here I'm going to give the series values. These are my series values, and I'm going to click OK. So suppose in this chart I just want to plot these three product, television, mobile and radio. So now in x-axis I want these years. So to placing these years, I'm going to click on edit option, and in the edit section I'm going to select these years, and I'm going to click on OK now. And so this is it. So if I'll click on finally OK, you can see my chart is prepared now. Now I can do different kind of editing here by going into this design section. Maybe I can plot a chart like this, or maybe I can go for this one, dark background one. So in this way we can plot charts. Thank you everyone.